in our advanced place command, Jäger will stay here looking like he's lounging. We're just sitting here discussing Captain getting his ear eaten. But I now have 4 birds down. We'll see how he does. I want him to bring me each individual bird, give him the place command, come back here, and then send him out again until he finds all 4 of them. We'll see how it goes. Jäger, ho! Well, there's one. That wasn't very hard. Jäger, here! Place! Good boy. Okay. Okay, Jäger, ho! Ho! No, not the same one. Ho! Oh, he just walked past one, I think. Ho! New exercise for Jäger. Liked a video first time on stuff just to see how he does. See if we can find where I put it up here. Yep. Well, he's standing on top of it. There you go. Jäger, place. Come on, place. Jäger, here. Jäger, here. Good boy. Jäger, here. Come on, here. Come on. Place. Whoa. Wait, nope. Jäger, here. Well, this is his other place, as we call it. Good boy. That's a good boy, Jäger. Okay. You've got 2 more. Come on. Here. Ho. Jäger, ho. Dead bird. Dead bird. What's that? Come on. Here. Come on. Jäger, here. Here. Place. Lay down. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Guess what? We've got another one. Jäger, ho. Come on. Where is it? There's more up here, but that's not the one that we want him to get. Ho! Jäger, ho! It's right there under the barbecue grill. I could give him a command and he'd find it, but we want him to work at it harder. Okay, that's enough. Jäger, here. Come on. Ho. Ho. Good boy. Here. Place. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's the first time he's ever done this particular exercise, so good job. Thank you, Jäger. Just a pheasant wing.